5G connectivity arrives on Mount Everest thanks to Huawei and China Mobile. Huawei and China Mobile bring 5G connectivity to the base camp and to some advanced fields of Mount Everest, as a support tool for the mountaineering and scientific expeditions planned in these places. Huawei and China Mobile have announced that they have completed a 5G connectivity installation operation at the foot of Mount Everest. The two companies have configured 5G access points at the base camp, located at an altitude of 5,300 meters, at the transition field at 5,800 meters and at the advanced field at 6,500 meters, which will be usable by the teams that will try to ascend the summit of the highest mountain in the world. The anniversary of 60 years from the first successful ascent to the summit of Mount Everest from the north side was the occasion for the installation of this telecommunication infrastructure, which will be used, among other things, also for the accurate remeasurement initiative of the height of Mount Everest planned for this year. In the press release announcing the initiative, Huawei underlines how the transmission speeds reached by the 5G network in this particular installation are very high. Let's talk about a 1.66 gigabits per second peak in download, with an upload speed that reaches 215 megabits per second.